It is indeed a great day and a matter of pride for each and every Indian, not only in India but worldwide, that even after a long colonial background and also more than 75 years of independence, this is happening for the first time that we all are witnessing the inauguration of Made in India Parliament building, which is a symbol of independence, which is a symbol of empowerment, and each and every Indian shall feel happy and pride on this day. Now, when we talk about Sengol, it is a symbol of righteousness, it is a symbol of dutifulness, and it holds a long tradition. We cannot deny the fact that we have so many evidences of Sengol, and even if we look at the historical text, we would find such glimpses that few kings even gave their pran for the honor of Sengol, which simply means the reason was to give a very strong message that righteousness shall prevail above each and everything. And we also cannot deny the fact that ruling powers have always generated power from these spiritual sources. And dharma has always worked as a source of power for the rulers and ruling powers. And today, we cannot, if you look not only in India, but if you look at any part of the world, prayers are being offered, though in different ways, different forms, but whenever we start something new, we enter a new house or a workplace, prayers are being offered. Now, same thing we are witnessing here, but the most beautiful part is that it is a Sarva Dharma prayer, because Parliament is the house of nation, and while entering this house, prayers are being offered, but Sarv Dharma prayer, which is a beautiful symbol of secularism, and not just secularism, but also our culture, which says Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. We never say Aham Bhavantu Sukhinaha. What we say is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. Yatra Vishwam Bhavati Eknidam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So that has been represented here. And when we look at Yajna, if you say that it is just a religious ceremony or just a ritual, this is just ignorance and nothing else, because today when worldwide researches have been done on Yajna, and Yajna has been considered as a therapy, and it is also known as Yajnopathy, we have to understand that it holds a lot of spiritual and scientific significance. When we talk about the spiritual significance, we welcome and invite positive energies in our life at the place where we are doing Yajna, so that we move ahead with positive attitude and a lot of positivity in us. And when we look at the scientific aspect, we must understand that four kinds of things are being offered in prayer. What are these four kinds of things? Very first thing is Roganashak, to eliminate diseases. Second is Keetanashak, to eliminate bacteria. Third is Sugandhit, to have that fragrance. And fourth is Swishtikrit, sweet, to generate happy hormones in us. Now, the next question that might come into your mind is, why cannot we consume these four kinds of things, and why we need to offer these to fire? Reason is very simple. Whenever anything is offered to fire, the impact not only doubles but multiplies 100 times. Let's take a very simple example of chili. You can consume 8 to 10 chilies, but even if a single chili is being put in fire, everybody around would say, oh, somebody has put chili in fire, because the impact not only doubles but multiplies to 100. Similarly, Yajna as a pathy holds a lot of scientific significance and of course spiritual significance. So I would, just to sum up, I would say this is a historic day which will be written in golden letters for the coming generations, and each and every Indian shall feel pride and shall feel honored, shall feel proud to be able to witness this great day.